How you doing? I'm Big D. Welcome to my channel, Mr. Know-It-All. Don't click off right away just because of my appearance. Someone with a goatee, long hair, head on backwards. Give it a chance. I think I have something that you're going to want to hear. You could be someone who hates the things that I bring forward, but you might be someone who actually likes it. So if you do like it, please subscribe, share it to your friends, because this, especially today, is very informative. Elon Musk has kicked butt when it comes to what he has found, the corruption in our government. Stick around, like I said, until the end. Make your decision at that end if you want to go forward with watching any of my shows in the future, or going backwards and checking out some of the shows. Now, these are how-tos. They could be political. They could be all kinds of different things, but I think you want to hear some of this stuff. Now, what the show is about today is, why did Elon Musk fail? Did he or did he not fail? Let's get some details, and then maybe you can answer that question at the very end. Now, there's a very easy answer to that. Did Elon Musk fail? Well, that's because Doge, under his leadership, proposed 192 separate cuts to reduce the deficit. And in the response to those 192 actions, the Democrats, or the rats, deep state, however you want to talk about it, sued him with 181 times, with 164 of those lawsuits still in litigation today. So 192 actions to reduce the deficit, which would have totaled $892 billion in cuts. 11 of them were not challenged. Those 11 amounted to about $100 billion worth of cuts. Now, there are 17 more that just reached resolution, and the cuts haven't been, they haven't yet been made. Those 17 cuts will reduce the deficit by an additional $231 billion. And then we have 164 more actions that are currently under lawsuit with the Democratic Party. So when the fake media asks why wasn't Elon Musk able to cut more of the deficit? Well, the answer is because the Democrat sued him 100 fucking times, with 164 of those lawsuits still pending. How can you get anything done if you have to fight in court over and over and over again? The Democrats took our money and sued the Doge with our money to stop him from saving us money. The answer to media's dumb fucking questions, why did Elon Musk fail? That is your answer. You must ask the question, don't the Democrats, deep state, rats, however you want to phrase it, not want America prosperous, or you having to fund even more money because of a new budget coming out that is going to require us to include more money out of our pockets? Maybe because their pockets are getting full without this corruption that is being found being deleted. I think it is a possibility that they, the rats, deep state, Democrats, there are Republicans in there too, rhinos, you all know what I'm talking about. They're getting fat. How many times have you heard the question is, they make $174,000 a year for the average congressperson, but somehow own millions of dollars of property, maybe 1, 2, 3 homes. I don't know. You have to answer that question. But please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for all. I appreciate everything that everybody's doing for me. Email me if you have a question and you don't want to put it in the comment section, but put a comment in the comment section and I will put a comment for you. Have a great day.